Okay, let's set toe. Now, I did not put my car up in the highest position as I possibly could for working underneath it, so this might be more of a demonstration than actually setting the toe. And also, I don't have one of those lock your steering wheel devices. I'm going to have to buy one of those. In my C5, the steering wheel would lock in center position or pretty close to center position so you could use it, but the C6 it doesn't lock at all right now. See, it's shut off and you can turn the wheel any way you want to. So this might be just a demonstration, or I might try it. I've got long arms. But anyway, front low position for the tow bar, rear high position. Okay? Okay, remember, I told you this was going to be a demonstration rather than me actually moving the tow settings because I'm out of time. So we've got our tow bars high in the back, low in the front. Here's your laser grid. Attach it right in the middle like that with a thumb screw. Okay? Here's your laser. I had to add a couple of washers because my screw was a little bit too long. Don't worry about it. You'll get the right length thumb screw. So this attaches just like that. One screw on each one, just good and hand tight. So you could move it a little bit if you tried to move it, but it stays pretty snug. All right, so your lasers are attached and your laser grid plate is attached like that. Front toe. This is just plain old front toe, like maybe you haven't done it before, but front toe is pretty simple. You got your tow bar. You take a measurement at the front of the tow bar, and you take a measurement at the rear of the tow bar. So I'm going to have to put the camera down so I can read this. I'll tell you what it is. Okay, so I had 72 and 10/16 front, 72 11/16 back. So that's 1/16 difference toe in with these tow bars. So that's not bad setting. It's all to your preference. If you Well, I'm not going to get into it. There's a whole discussion or maybe even a book written about toe settings. So I'm just showing you how to use the tools. So that's front toe. One last thing before we move off of front toe. Have the lasers on and while you're doing front toe or adjusting front toe, your passenger and driver side laser crosshair should be at the same place. Now, that's at 1.75, I'm going to call it. It's not inches or millimeters or anything like that. It's just call it 1.75. There's a scale on there. 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1.75 on the driver's side. On the passenger side, 1.5. All right, so my thrust is off just a little bit. But I'm not going to do anything right now because I already told you I'm going to get some steel plates, which is going to make everything a bit more accurate. More accurate enough so that I do want to do it. But that laser measurement has to be equal on both sides when you set the toe. And your steering wheel has to be centered. And that all will make your thrust correct. Okay? Got it?